When it comes to windshield repair, convenience is key. That's why Cracks and Chips specializes in windshield repair and provides mobile rock chip repair, bringing the repair shop directly to you. Whether you're at home, at work, or out and about in Salt Lake City, our mobile rock chip repair service eliminates the hassle of driving to a shop and waiting for repairs. With mobile rock chip repair, you can say goodbye to those unsightly long cracks and rock chips that obstruct your view and compromise your safety. Our skilled technician will arrive fully equipped to handle any type of rock chip repair or crack repair damage, ensuring a seamless and efficient mobile rock chip repair experience. We use only the highest quality resins and materials, guaranteeing a durable rock chip repair or crack repair that restores your windshield's clarity and strength. Scheduling your mobile rock chip repair is incredibly easy. Simply visit our website to book an appointment online at your convenience. Prefer to speak with someone directly? No problem. My name is Brent. Give me a call at 385-219-9100 and I will assist you in scheduling your mobile rock chip repair appointment.